How to fix slow internet speed on your MacBook computer. So if your Wi-Fi connection is constantly slow, I'll show you two ways on how to speed up your Wi-Fi. Now the first thing you need to do is come over to your Mac desktop like this, click on the Wi-Fi symbol, and then press Wi-Fi settings. Now from this page, click on Details next to your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure Low Data Mode is turned off and disabled like this, and then click on Hardware from the left-hand side. Now next to Configure, click on the drop-down arrow and set this to Manually. Now for the MTU, make sure this is set to Custom, and for the number, we're just going to type in 1453. Now once you've done this, press OK. Now the last thing you need to do is click on Details once again, click on DNS, and then click on the plus icon to add a DNS server. Now type in 8.8.8.8. You can then click with your mouse cursor and click on the plus icon once again. Now type in 8.8.4.4 and then go and press OK. You can then check to see if your Wi-Fi speed has now been improved. If it's still slow, then come back over to Details, come back over to the DNS, and then just delete these DNS servers. You can then click on the plus icon one more time, type in 1.1.1.1, go and click on the plus icon again, and type in 1.0.0.1. You could then press OK. Now once you've done this, your Wi-Fi speed should now be much faster.